Guys and gals, Barbie Figueroa here, and in this video, if you are looking to sponsor your first 3 to 4 people, make your investment back and get into profit, cover your monthly costs without feeling like a pushy salesperson, without having to invest money into solo ads or picking up the phone and trying to pitch your friends and family, then this is a continuation of part 1 of a video that I just did about how you can do just that. So if you're anything like me and you are working on building a recurring leverage income online, but you're just not sure how to go about sponsoring your first 3 to 4 people without coming across like a pushy salesperson, and by creating a leverage and using systems, then stay tuned, because in this video I am going to continue on my last video, and I'm going to actually take you inside of the course to show you exactly what you get. So if you want to learn more about that, then keep on watching. All right, guys and gals, again, this is Barbie Figueroa with brandingwithbarbie.com. Please take just one little moment to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate that. All right, guys and gals, like I said, this is part 2. If you want to check out part 1, where I share the struggles that I had with being more introverted, being more sales shy, not wanting to really approach strangers, friends, and family, and all those things, but still wanting to build a recurring income online, you know, where is a person like you and me supposed to start if we're not quite the affiliate marketer that just starts by, you know, doing solo ads, or you're not like the network marketer either, where you got to, you know, write a list of friends and family and a memory jogger list and get on the phone or Zooms with strangers, and you just don't want to do any of that stuff. So what is the middle ground? Well, the middle ground is my rapid recruiting blueprint, where I teach you how to hybrid both strategies and tap into your existing warm market without coming off as a pushy person. So with that being said, let me go ahead and take you inside the course so that you see exactly what it's all about. All right, now before I give you a sneak peek inside the course, I just wanted to direct you to the actual page where you can purchase the course. Right now, as of November 29th, you can still save a few dollars on the Black Friday deal that I have going on right now. If you're watching this after Black Friday, you're still going to get a really incredible deal, because I just really go step by step and I give you everything you need to get off the ground to sponsor your first 3 to 4 reps fast, break even on your investment, plus cover your monthly subscription without chasing, convincing, or picking up the phone. So over here, you can come down here and obviously you can read the page, and then you can read some student case studies. And as I say, sales should be fun, often, and rejection free. And I'm going to show you how to get off the ground with a rapid recruiting course. So I invite you to go through every bit of this page. So let me give you an idea of what's inside the course. So module 1 is the blueprint and the 3 phases of growth. I'm going to hand you my rapid recruiting blueprint. We're going to go over the 3 phases of team building and business growth, the 7-step momentum building snowball, attracting versus chasing, and getting people to ask you for your link, so you don't have to be chasing people or convincing people or anything like that. And then module 2, you're going to prepare to sponsor your first 3 to 4 reps. I'm going to help you figure out the numbers and achieve your first financial alleviation goal. I'm going to show you how to tap into your warm market without being a pushy salesperson. I'm going to show you step by step how to prepare your top 10 deal breaker list. That's going to help you connect with your target person a lot faster. And I'm going to help you brainstorm and write out your big announcement. And then in module number 3, we're going to automate and systematize the process with a simple funnel. I'm going to share with you what the purpose of the recruiting funnel is. We're going to go over the video script overview and why and how it works. So we're going to go a little bit into the psychology of what I say in the video script that you are also going to receive a copy of. And I'm going to coach you through filming your funnel video step by step. All right. And then module 4, you're going to build and launch your funnel. I'm going to break down the funnel. Plus, we're going to go over some copywriting psychology and strategy. You are going to build out the funnel page, and I'm going to be right there with you, like over the shoulder style, step by step. You're going to launch your recruiting funnel. I'm going to give you your launching pep talk. I'm going to show you how to launch, where to launch, and what to do next. And then, of course, your next steps for ongoing growth. And then we have a bonus module with tools, tech, and your share funnels, because I'm actually going to give you share links to cut down your design time big time. Okay. So you're going to get my tools and tech equipment list, and you're going to get recruiting funnel share links. All right. And then the course also features lifetime access to the members area, high quality step-by-step videos, and a bonus PDFs, worksheets, and checklists for you to follow to make sure that you are following my instructions step by step. Okay. Now, here's what one of my students had to say. Budil went through my course, and she says, I have gone through Barbie Figueroa's Rapid Recruiting Blueprint course. I get so like shy to say, like read nice things that people say about me, but I thank you so much. But she says she's an amazing teacher, going into detail about how to build an invitation funnel online instead of cold calling people or using other aggressive marketing methods. She teaches how to meet people on a deeper level and to find the right people to connect with. And then all the great tips on how to set up the funnels and tips about video marketing. Barbie teaches in a kind and understanding way. She knows where people often struggle, and she tells you her marketing secrets. If you are struggling or new to online marketing, this course will help you a lot. Barbie Figueroa is the person I have learned most from when it comes to online marketing, and that's Budil from Norway, and she's just a doll. And thank you. If you're watching this video, Budil, I really appreciate you. So with that being said, I'm just going to take you really quick inside the course so that you know what to expect. All right, so here we are inside the course, and I'm just so excited to share this with you. So as you can see, we have our start here video, and I am going to walk you through getting ready to go through the course. You're going to get a course curriculum, and you're going to get an invitation funnel step-by-step checklist. And trust me, this is very simple to do. It's a very simple page, but it's very powerful, and I show you why inside of the course. So you've got module 1, and we've got our big picture blueprint. We got module 2, which is to prepare your funnel and your video and your little, rapid recruiting system. And I'm going to help you figure out your numbers, tap into your warm market, your top 10 deal breaker list. I'm going to show you how to do that step by step, and how to prepare your big announcement to get people to come to you and ask you for your link. And by the way, just in case you're thinking, people, they make announcements on Facebook all the time, and I've seen people I can just do that, but I teach it in a different way. There is a step that a lot of people are missing that not only helps you create more leverage, but it helps you connect at a deeper level. So the way that I teach it is slightly different, and is perfect for more introverted people, for people who want leverage, for people that don't want to be on their computer all day. And if you've already started sponsoring people, it is a way to do it where you have more automation. So that's how I teach it, and I don't see a lot of people teaching it this way. Yes, you're going to make an announcement on social media, but what happens after that is where the magic actually happens, okay? And then, because I'm going to show you how to automate the entire process, all right? And I'm going to give you a video script and the invitation video. I'm going to show you the equipment that you need to use, all the cool things, okay? And then I'm going to give you the funnel recap and how to build the page, and I'm going to give you share links, and I have a few different softwares you can choose from to build your funnel, and so you can learn more about that on the FAQ section. But if you have any questions whatsoever about it, just send me a quick message over at brandingwithbarbie.com/contact. Send me a message right there, and I will respond to you. I'm a real person, and I'm here to help you. So just go ahead and message me, or leave me a comment right below this video, but preferably message me privately, and so that I can, message you back. Okay. And then we got a bonus copywriting tips video as well. And then of course the tech and tools and your share links, so that you can import the funnel really quickly and then just do some minor tweaks. Okay. If you go directly to my website over at brandingwithbarbie.com until November 30th, which is tomorrow, you can still save on the Black Friday deal that I have for the rapid recruiting course. So if the banner's still there on the home page, just click on the button. It'll take you to this page under Black Friday deals, and you can still get a nice discount on the course if you want to pick it up. However, since you're already there, I'm going to also encourage you to, if you want to save a few dollars and you want to get like your beginner's bundle. It's like your attraction marketer starter pack, okay? So that you can position yourself to attract people to come to you in a leveraged way by automating a lot of the process of prospecting and attracting people to you. Then I highly encourage you to just pick up the 3 courses if you can do it. You're going to get an incredible deal. You're literally going to get 3 courses almost for the price of 1, and you don't need any coupon. All you have to do is click on get the deal, and you can get all 3 courses, which is my rapid recruiting blueprint course, the My Story method, which will turn your About Me page into a silent salesperson, and you'll also get access to my How to Sell Without Selling course. And all these courses are original, created by me. My hope is that you break through just like I have. So if you want to pick up either the course by itself, you can grab it at a great discount. Just use this code and you can still go to that page that I showed you and enter the coupon code at checkout, or you can grab all 3 courses and have your whole beginner's bundle ready to go so that you can jumpstart your business in 2024, or get started right now. Like literally get started right now. At least prepare, get everything ready to get out the gate and get that plane off the ground. So yeah, this won't last long. The Black Friday deals will not last long. So if you're watching this video after Black Friday, you're still going to get an incredible deal on my rapid recruiting course. And it could be the very thing that launches you into a 6-figure business in time. But remember, like I said, if you want to go big, you got to start small. And my rapid recruiting course is how you get started. All right, well, that's it for me. Make sure that if you haven't watched video 1, I will have it as an end screen at the end of this video. And if you have any comments or if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section right below. I would love to help you. Other than that, make sure to stay tuned because I've got a bunch of content coming. We're going to be learning how to build your personal branded website, your funnels, all the cool things so that you can create more leverage as you build your business online and hopefully get on that path just like I am to creating a recurring income that keeps on paying you every single month. You want to do that without having to be tied to your computer all day, and you want to do it in a way that you can still be present, because I will be continuing to teach on this channel how to build passive prospecting systems, especially for people who struggle with selling, that consistently attract qualified leads, sales, and signups even when you're not on your computer. All right, guys and guys, well, hopefully this video helped you. If it did, please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to hit that notification bell if you want to be alerted the next time that I upload a video to my YouTube channel. So with that being said, this has been Barbie Figueroa with brandingwithbarbie.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on another video.